Hello and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about ghosts and belief. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. There are no right or wrong answer. Just share your opinion clearly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I do not believe in the ghost.
Why do you not believe in ghosts?
I do not believe in the ghost. Cause I have never seen one.
Have you ever heard about a ghost story?
I have had many ghost story.
Who told you the ghost story?
My friend told me a ghost story.
Do you like listening to ghost stories?
No, I do like them.
Have you ever feel scared at night?
Yeah, I feel scared at night.
What do you do when you feel scared?
I feel scared, play with my family, but sometimes I play a game.
Do your friend believe in ghosts?
No, my friend do not believe in the ghost.
Do you like watching ghost movie?
No, do like watching them.
How do you feel when you hear a ghost story?
I feel a little scared, but also excited.
Good job. You did very well today. Thank you for sharing your idea and opinions. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing your English and speaking with confidence.